Did you know that the average person underestimates their daily calorie intake by up to 40%? Hidden calories in common foods can easily sabotage weight loss efforts, even when we think we're making healthy choices. Let's take a closer look at the 10 foods you should never keep in your kitchen if you want to shed those extra pounds. Weight loss isn't just about exercising more or cutting back on obvious junk foods. The real challenge is often lurking in the foods we believe are good for us. Today, we're talking about 10 specific foods that might seem harmless, but can actually work against your weight loss goals. Knowing what not to keep in your kitchen is just as important as knowing what to include. A common misconception is that any food labeled as low-fat or whole grain must be healthy, but that's not always true. Many of these foods contain hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, or high levels of sodium. Even processed foods marketed as healthy can be filled with preservatives and additives that make weight loss harder. These foods can disrupt your metabolism, increase cravings, and lead to overeating. It's time to bust a myth that all so-called healthy foods are safe for weight management, and instead focus on what really matters: clean, whole foods that fuel your body the right way. Let's dive into the 10 foods that could be secretly sabotaging your weight loss. Sugary cereals. Most cereals, even those branded as whole grain, contain high amounts of added sugar. This leads to blood sugar spikes, which trigger insulin production and, in turn, fat storage. Plus, the lack of fiber means you're hungry again shortly after eating. White bread. Refined white bread lacks essential nutrients and fiber. It's digested quickly, causing a rapid rise in blood sugar and an insulin spike. This not only makes you hungry sooner, but can also promote fat storage, especially around the belly area. Diet soda. While calorie-free, the artificial sweeteners in diet soda can confuse your body's natural hunger signals and increase cravings for sugary foods. Some studies suggest that diet sodas can slow down metabolism and lead to weight gain in the long run. Granola bars. These are often seen as a healthy snack option, but most store-bought granola bars are packed with sugar, unhealthy fats, and even chocolate or candy. The sugar content spikes your energy, but leaves you feeling sluggish soon after. Fruit juice. While made from fruit, most juices are stripped of fiber, leaving you with a high-sugar beverage that causes blood sugar to spike. Without the fiber to slow absorption, fruit juice behaves much like soda in your body, leading to increased fat storage. Processed meats. Foods like bacon, sausages, and deli meats are high in saturated fats, sodium, and preservatives. These can increase inflammation in the body, lead to water retention, and negatively affect metabolism. They are also linked to a higher risk of heart disease. Frozen meals. Many frozen dinners, even those labeled healthy or low-calorie, are loaded with sodium, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. These can cause bloating, increase cravings for more food, and lack the nutrients you need to stay energized. Potato chips. High in calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium, chips are highly addictive and provide little to no nutritional value. The combination of salt and fat makes them easy to overeat, which can quickly derail weight loss goals. Margarine. Once touted as a healthier alternative to butter, margarine often contains trans fats, which are linked to inflammation, heart disease, and weight gain. Trans fats are particularly dangerous because they can slow metabolism and lead to fat buildup in the body. Alcohol. Alcohol is full of empty calories and can lower your inhibitions, making it easier to overeat. It also slows down fat burning because your body prioritizes metabolizing alcohol over other nutrients, stalling weight loss progress. One of the most surprising culprits on this list is fruit juice. Many people think it's a healthy choice because it's natural and made from fruit, but without the fiber from whole fruit, juice causes rapid blood sugar spikes. In fact, drinking a glass of fruit juice can be just as bad for your waistline as drinking a soda. It's a common mistake that many people make when trying to eat healthier, but understanding this can make a huge difference in your weight loss journey. So, to recap, if you're serious about losing weight, it's crucial to avoid these 10 foods: sugary cereals, white bread, diet soda, granola bars, fruit juice, processed meats, frozen meals, potato chips, margarine, and alcohol. Each of these foods can derail your efforts by either causing insulin spikes, increasing cravings, or adding unnecessary calories and unhealthy fats. Have you been surprised by any of these foods? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know how they've affected your weight loss journey. And before you go, be sure to check out our next video on the best healthy swaps to stock in your kitchen for lasting weight loss success.